everyone, today I'm going to show you how you can make a Father's Day card. So, what you need for this is a pair of scissors, glue stick, and this should have already been delivered to you. This package has all the materials you need to make the card. So first what you need to do is open the package. And inside, it should have all the materials. We have the shirt piece, a tie, and a pocket. First what we need to do is get our pair of scissors and cut on the dotted line. This is so we can make the collar of the shirt. Make sure you cut also the back side of it too. So it looks like this if you open it up. Next what you do is you grab the flap and fold it inside like this. Do it on both sides. This creates your collar on your shirt. Next what you do is you put the tie in the middle of this so that it can be covered by the collar. Like that. You get your glue stick now and glue it onto the middle. After that, you glue the collar onto it. Make sure you glue the whole collar so it can stick. Press it down. Last, glue the shirt pocket on either side. Now after you're done gluing and cutting, you can open up your card and write anything you want on the inside. That's all for the Father's Day card. Thank you for watching.